Hello, this is Maxwell, and I'm going to record this video for those who were not able to join the meeting, the Digital Learners monthly meeting that took place on the 23rd of November 2022, and also for everyone who is in this scholarship project. I've been a project coordinator close to 3 years and offering support for thousands of Ghanaians across the regions in Ghana. And one of the things that we do is to help them to make help them to maximize their license, their learning on Coursera with the Youth Engagement Center. And we want to organize this job matching support for all our learners on all our learners who are learning on Coursera. So we'll just go through the presentation, and then I hope this one will take very it will be quick. This one will be quick, and then I hope this one will be very quick. So first of all, the sponsored project or the digital learning, we call it read to skill. In Ghana here, we call it read to skill. Where Commonwealth of Learning, Ghana Library Authority, Coursera, and Google have come together to offer employability skills courses or courses that gives you job job ready skills on Coursera. So with the Commonwealth of Learning, we know that it is an intergovernmental organization. So Ghana is a member of Commonwealth of Learning. Whatever that they do, we benefit. Ghana Library Authority is mandated by law to manage and establish and manage public libraries in Ghana. Our focus is to connect Ghanaians to knowledge resources, and this Read to Skill project or the digital learning that we have sponsorship is one of them. Coursera is the largest online learning platform in the world. We have access to 3,800 courses of different subject categories offered by top rated universities and institutions across the world. The certificates that you receive are world acclaimed certificates. So you should take note of this. The partnership with Google also gives us access to Google Career courses, specialization courses, and it is hosted on Coursera. APSA joined this partnership with their Ready to Work, which gives us access to four modules. Four modules. These are business related modules. When you finish these courses on APSA, you'll be ready to employ yourself or employ others, manage your money, know how to behave as a person or as an employee or deal with people. So these four modules are really, really helpful. That's for those who are on ready to work. So this is how the partnership is. Um, Now the purpose of this partnership or this sponsorship is to help learners or those who have received a scholarship to upskill, to reskill, and then be employed. And we'll go into that. We'll go into that. So when you receive the sponsorship or those who are learning on Coursera, this is what we want you to do. For these 3 years that I've been working as a project coordinator with thousands of Ghanaians, I know those who just receive their license and they start learning. They know what they want, and so they start the diving. But there are those who also they receive it and they don't know what to do because they have access to 3,800 courses and five specialization courses. It's like a blast of courses, a lot of options that they need to choose from, and they don't know what to do. So when they come to me as a coordinator and all the other coordinators too in Ghana, what we suggest to them is first of all, you need to find the the current job that are in demand. So and then you need to look for the in demand skills. So you search for trending jobs or current in demand skills that you are interested in. Some decades ago, there were some kind of jobs that were needed, skills that were needed. They are no more. So if you really want to look for a job, you need to know the current skills that are in demand. You go online, you search for it, what people are looking for, the kind of professions people are looking for. Search for it. And then the one that you are interested in, you go to Coursera and you look for relevant courses that are related or relevant courses to the jobs that are in demand. So, assuming that maybe recently the in demand um, job that people are looking for is maybe IT, data analysis. If you find that, you go online on Coursera, you find courses related to IT, maybe IT support specialist or Google data analytics, and then you enroll in them. Now, when you enroll, we want you to commit enough time to complete this course. Commit enough time to complete it. Don't enroll in about five, six courses and then you share your small time on each of them. Just focus on one, complete and receive your certificate. You download your certificate, you update your resume, and then submit it. If you're already working with an institution, submit it for promotion. If you are not already working, just look for job or startup. So this is how to maximize your sponsorship. Else you receive the license and you not make any use of it. I sent a message to Coursera, contacted them, and they have the data. They gave me in-demand skills in 2022, and this is across the world, not only in Ghana. In-demand skills in 2022. So I captured six of them. One is data analysis. Data analysis. If you go online on Google, you have access to Google Data Analytics. It's a specialization course. Another one is software development. And you can enroll in software engineering, user experience, Google user design, UX design. It is there. You have access. Web developer. So you enroll in web design for every body. Project management. So the in-demand skills or skills that institutions, companies, private organizations, or probably individuals they are looking for is categorized into two. We have the digital skills and then we have the human skills. So human skills come with leadership and other soft skills. Digital skills is more of IT because we are in the digital age. A lot of things that we are doing is even automated. So we need people who have digital skills. And so under data, so that's why we have data analysis, user experience, web developer, software, I don't know, everything about IT. But they need the human skills too. That's why the project management comes in. The soft skills, the ability to relate with people skills, leadership skills, teamwork. So they all fall under project management. So before you complete the project management specialization course, you have all these human skills. Right? Then you have content creation and account management. They are all there, a lot of them. If you go online, you search, you see in-demand skills that you need. So take note of this. Now we talked about the purpose of um, the sponsor, upskill, reskill, be employed. Let's go into them. When we say upskill, we mean you already have the skills, but you need to polish it. Yes, because there may be new knowledge, new ways of doing things, which is also in relation to your skills that you have. So what you do is that you enroll in courses that will improve your skills. For example, if you were a teacher, you do presentation in class, you communicate with them. So enroll in communication, enroll in presentation courses, or how to relate with your class, with your students, and with your fellow teachers. People skills. So enroll in all this, and it will enhance what you do. So then you download your certificate, you enrich your resume, submit it for promotion. In Ghana here, I'm using teachers because it seems like they are the majority employed group in Ghana. But you can also apply it in your own way. In Ghana here, I think the teachers they write licensure exams or they promote them with some points. They give them some points. So if you enroll in these courses, you can go for the points that you want. Now you submit it for promotion, yes. Now let's talk about the race skill. With the race skill, the idea is to find new skills. You don't have it already, but you find new ones. During, I think, somewhere in 2020, one of the learners came to appreciate the project, and her reason was that she wanted to explore diverse knowledge and get certificate for it. Yes, but her course that she enrolled in school was just linear. You can only do this. So maybe she has background in, let's say, human resource. That is the only thing, the only course, the only career that she can pursue. For example, you have diploma in a subject area. You cannot enroll in any other course than maybe courses that are related to human relation at the university level, at the master's level, at the degree level, master's level, PhD level. You see, everything should be linear. That she wanted to explore knowledge. Now, that's finding new skills. One of the benefit of this project is to reskill. The project will give you the opportunity to dive into other areas. So you don't need to have a background in IT before you can enroll in IT support specialist. You don't need to have a background in IT and in health before you enroll in health related courses on Coursera. No. If you have, if you can understand English, that is it, you are done. You read, understand English, you are done. You can enroll in the courses and have the background, right? So that's how to find the new skills. And then you enroll in courses relative to the new skill. Yes, a teacher diverting into graphic design. Yeah, this person is one of my learners. He is a teacher and now he's doing graphic design because he started enrolling in courses in graphic design and he's doing well at that place. And he's using the graphic design as a side business. Yes, he's still teaching, but he's doing that as a side business. And sometimes it also helps him in his work as a teacher. So dive into new areas. If the skills that you have is obsolete, reskill, get new skills that are relevant and in demand. So that's what you can do. I was following this springboard virtual university, and Pastor Alberto Kran invited Professor Adai. And that's what he said about reskilling. A degree only builds your mind intellectually, which is true. Which is true. When you hold a degree and can't find a job, consider an apprenticeship in metalwork, carpentry, or joinery. Okay, so the reason why I share this, I'm not also telling you to go and do carpentry or metalwork. I'm sharing this because you need to understand that the degree builds our intellectual capabilities, but you can reskill, enroll in other courses that will build maybe your creative abilities. I'm also sharing this to let you know that you do not necessarily need another degree to reskill. All you have to do is go on Coursera and enroll in other courses that will give you other skills. So that's it with the reskilling. Now, the last one is to be employed. You consider two things: self-employment, and then you look for job. That's two ways of getting employed. You either employ yourself or you become an employee. So the ball is in your court. You make that decision. When you are looking for a job, let's focus on looking for job. Usually, when you are looking for job, initially you have to maybe write application letter and be moving around, going to companies looking for job. It's not working anymore like this. Like things have changed. We've moved on from that era. Now, and also sometimes this is Ghana, and the reality is that if you are looking for a job, you need to call somebody that you know in a place. You need to call somebody who knows you, a link, a connection. So me being a library, I work at the library authority, and sometimes I receive people who send me CV. I receive CV from people and they want a job. Well, usually I direct them to the head office to go and apply there, but that's not how it is done. That's not the proper way. Job is That's not a proper way to search for job. If you really want to search for job, this is how to go about it. We are giving you job matching support. So there are job matching sites, and that's what you see on the screen. Job matching sites. Job matching. This site, what they do is that the job matching site is just like a marketplace where producers they meet consumers. So the producers they have their produce, consumers they are looking for the produce to buy, to go and consume or to sell. So when they meet, transaction take place and everybody is happy. The job matching site works similar. It is a place, a website where employers they meet job seekers. Employers meet job seekers. So if you are going to look for a job, you need to visit a job matching site. One of them is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional site, and I want everybody to create create an account on LinkedIn. Another one is Indeed. We have Jobberman, Ghana, our own environment, our own society. We have Jobberman giving jobs. We have Job Web. We have Jobs in Ghana. We have Job Search Ghana. So all these are job matching sites where if you are looking for a job, you are seeking for a job. That's where you should go. That's where you are going to see employers. That's why you're going to find people who are looking for people to employ in certain professions. So I prefer LinkedIn and Indeed, and I also go on Jobberman, Job Web, or Jobs in Ghana to search for the jobs that are available. Now, The truth of the whole thing is that there are jobs in Ghana, a lot of them, because every week, or let me say every 4 days or 5 days, 6 days last week, I receive a lot of notifications, job opening notifications from LinkedIn, Indeed, and sometimes Jobberman and Jobs in Ghana, because I've subscribed there. That's when I was searching for job. But now, what you want to do is you go on LinkedIn, create an account over there, and then you subscribe. You subscribe for those jobs, or you search for jobs over there. So that's what the job matching site will do for you. But there are processes before you do that. What you have to do is, first you need to develop a catchy resume, a resume that is very catchy. You don't want a resume where you create something, some information that are not necessary, biodata, religion, they add political stuff and all that on a resume. No, we need a resume that captures the keywords, so that when you upload it or when you send it, the job the platform that will select your resume, will be able to detect the keywords that you are looking for, the key things that they are looking for, so that they will accept, or they will, yes, select your resume and then place you a call. So first you have to develop a catchy resume. And the next one is you create the professional account. Well, you can choose to create a professional account before developing a catchy resume. But by all means, create a professional account on a job search site or a job matching site. I will recommend LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional site, or maybe Indeed. So you create an account over there, and then probably you will learn how to create a professional account on LinkedIn. So you create the account, and then you also search for the job over there. Subscribe to to be given notifications. LinkedIn is worldwide. Indeed is also for the entire world and for every profession. When you go on there and then you create your account, and when you are searching for a job, there are filters where you can filter the job search to only Ghana, or the job search to only Cape Coast, or the job search to your particular profession. If you are interested in IT support, or you are an IT support specialist, what you are searching for, you can filter it to only IT support specialists, so that those who are looking for job in there, those who are looking for employees in those areas, IT support, they are the only ones that you are going to receive notification for it. Then you need to apply. You need to apply, go for the interviews. So this is where we will end the meeting. That's where we ended the meeting, and I decided to share this part with you. A lot of people asked questions. We gave them responses. So thank you for watching. If you have if you have ideas, if you have questions, just leave it in the comments below, and then we'll make time to respond. You can also like the channel and then also subscribe. There are a lot of things that we need to share and need to know. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.